One of our stops out west was Bear Country, USA. Let's get to it. Bear Country, USA is located in the Black Hills of South Dakota, and it is a sight to be seen. The park is open from late April till November 28th and is open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Saturday. As you enter the gate, you're going to be reminded to stay inside of the car with doors and windows and sunroofs closed tightly. So remember, no matter how cool it would be to feed the animals, you may become the entree, so let's not risk it. There are multiple animals found in this fantastic drive-through park, and if I squeezed them all into this video, it would do them no justice. So I'm going to be doing a video dedicated to each one of these awesome animals, and that way we can all learn more about them together. Hang tight as we start the next video with the Arctic wolf coming straight up. As always, be sure to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon to be notified of what's to come. Till next time, keep rolling.